Good morning, Year 3 Amber. Today in maths we'll be doing more comparing time. Our LI for this lesson is to compare time duration. Please pause this video whilst you copy it down. So just to recap what comparing time means seeing which time is longer than the other, which we're going to do today. So, continuing the adventures of Gemma and her adults in Brussels, they decide to go to the theatre for their last day there. So the two theatres they're going to are the Royal Puppet Theatre and or the circus. So, we'll be comparing times and durations from both theatres, and we will be seeing which of these times is longer. So both theatres cost €30 to get into, and we will be seeing which is longer, so Gemma and her adults could get more value for their money, because €30 is quite a lot of money to go and pay for a piece of entertainment. So let's have a look at the times. We'll be using number lines again to estimate how long the shows are. So we have one time to another. So we'll be using number lines to help us understand how long these shows are from the times that we've been given. So here we have times for the Royal Puppet Theatre and the circus. So the Royal Puppet Theatre time is 10:30 to 11:45, and the Circus Theatre is 10:10 to 11:30. So let's see how long the Royal Puppet Theatre showing is. So this is going to be our first question for an example. As you can see on this table, I've drawn number lines under my time. So if you can copy out this table and draw the number lines in, and then I'll demonstrate on this first one how to do our number lines and work these times out to see how many minutes they are and see which showing is the longest. So we have 10:30 here, 11:45 here. So I'm going to do a one stop, which is 11 o'clock. So I'm going to do a jump from 10:30, sorry, I do beg your pardon, to 11, and then 11 to 11:45. So 10:30, the time difference between 10:30 and 11 is 30 minutes, 30 mins, and 11 to 11:45 is 45 mins. So this particular showing, so 30 plus 45 is 75, so 75 mins. So on 10:10 to 11:30, we have 10:10 starting here and 11:30 starting here. So 10:10 to 11, and then 11 to 11:30. So 10:10 to 11 is 50 mins, and 11 to 11:30 is 30 mins. So 50 plus 30 is 80, so 80 mins, and I'm going to circle what the longest time is, so Gemma and her family are getting more value for their money. So here are the next questions, so the next times that I'd like you to compare using number lines. Please pause the video here whilst you do so, and I'll go through these with you shortly. So our next one is 11:20 to 12:55. So let's put 11:20 here, 12:55 here, as I did previously. So 11:20 to 12 o'clock is 40 mins, and 12 to 12:55 is 55 mins. So 40 plus 55, 95 mins. Sorry, I shouldn't have circled that. So 11:05 to 12:40. So 11:05, 12:40. So 11:05 to 12 is 55 minutes. 12 to 12:40 is 40 minutes. So again, this is 95 minutes. So these two are equal, as demonstrated by the equal sign I drew in between these two sets of times. So our next showing is 12:10 to 11:30. Sorry, 1:30. So 1 o'clock comes after 12 o'clock, if you remember me showing you the clock face. So it all goes round in a 12-hour clock cycle. So 12:10 to 1 o'clock is 50 minutes. And 1 to 1:30 is 30 minutes. So altogether, 50 plus 30 is 80 minutes. So 12:05 to 1:35. So 12:05 here, 1:35 here. So 12:05 to 1 o'clock, 55 minutes, and 1 to 1:35 is 35 minutes. So add these two together. So 50 plus 30 is 80, 5 add 5 is 10, 80 plus 10 is 90 minutes. So again, the circus is longer than the puppet theatre. So we have 1:25 to 2:25. So 1:25 to 2:25. So 1:25 to 2 o'clock is 35 minutes. And 2 to 2:25 is 25 minutes. So altogether, 30 plus 20 is 50, 5 plus 5 is 10. So altogether, that is 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour. So we have 1:15 to 2:15. So write 1:15 here, 2:15. So 1:15 to 2 o'clock is 45 minutes. And 2 to 2:15, 15 minutes. Adding 45 and 15 together makes it 1 hour again. So once again, these times are equal to each other. So 2:10 to 3:15. So 2:10 to 3:15. So 2:10 to 3 o'clock is 50 minutes. And then 3 to 3:15, 15 minutes. So that's 65 minutes in total. So 2:20 to 3:45. So 2:20, 3:45. It's each end of the number lines. So 2:20 to 3 is 40 minutes. Now 3 to 3:45 is 45 minutes. So 40 and 45 is 85 minutes, meaning the circus is once again longer. So now for our final one is 3:30 to 4:50. So 3:30, 4:50. So 3:30 to 4 is half an hour, aka 30 minutes. 4 to 4:50, 50 minutes, which altogether is 80 minutes. And I circled that one, don't know why, but whichever time is bigger, I'll draw the bigger circle around. So 3:10, 4:35. So 3:10 to 4 o'clock is 50 minutes. And 4 to 4:35 is 35 minutes. So 50 plus 35 is 85. So the circus is again longer with 85 minutes here. Here's the bigger circle. So well done to you if you got any of those right. These were very hard questions, and this might be the trickiest bit that we do on time. So for the next bit, I would like you to look through your table and circle what the longest time is, so the most amount of minutes, the biggest amount of minutes, and complete a sentence below which goes the best value money show is, and then put the time that the show is. So I'll demonstrate it to you further on paper. So here's the sentence as follows. The best value for money showing is such and such time because. So for the because bit, we're going to put how long it is, and then for the best value money showing is, we're going to pick the time. So let's have a look at the longest show. So it's this show here with 95 minutes. So that starts at 11:20. So the best value for money showing is 11:20 because it's 95 minutes long. So here we go. So if you have any questions, please submit them to year3@grange.harrow.sch.uk. I look forward to seeing your questions along with your work. Once again, well done for attempting this task. It cannot be easy estimating how much time passes. So I hoped the method of using the number line was useful. And next time you go to a show in London or go to the cinema, you'll be able to use this method mentally to see how long it is and see what you can fit in afterwards, whether that be a meal or meeting your friends or anything along those lines. So I hope you're having a good day. The weather's not very nice, but well done for keep working through it. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you very much.